Hey friends, today is May 11th, 2020, and it is Monday. It's also week 9, which means we've been on this online journey for 9 weeks, which also means I haven't seen you guys in 9 weeks, and I'm really sad about that. I miss you guys so much, like I say every time, but it's true, and I think about each of you every single day, and I hope you're doing okay. This week we're thinking about asking and answering questions about details in a text. This is something that we've done before, but we're doing it again because it's one of our main goals for first grade. So we're giving you another opportunity or another chance to practice this skill. So when we ask questions to help us understand the story. So I'm thinking about the questions as I read a story, before, during, and even after. And we ask questions before, during, and after we read a text. Again, this helps us to understand whatever we're reading, and this is what good readers do. When we're answering questions, we're using the text to help us find the answer. So when I say text, I'm thinking about anything that we're reading. So it could be a fable, a fairy tale, or an informational text. So a lot of times our question words are who, when, why, what, where, and how. These can help us form questions to be asked. So for example, a lot of times I think about who is the main character. So who is the main person or animal that the story is mostly about. And I think about what is the author's purpose for writing this text. So why did the author write this story? Is it to persuade us, to convince us of something like ice cream is the best dessert? Is it to help us get information to inform us? Or is it to entertain us, just so we have something really fun to read? So I want you to form your own questions. So think about 2 questions that you have as you listen to the story that's attached to the slide, and you can share them with me too. For math, we're thinking about more strategies, except this week we're thinking about subtraction strategies. So this is taking away from a number. So subtracting, minusing, taking away, that kind of thing. For writing, we're still thinking about opinion writing. So our question for today is, which season is more fun, summer or winter? And I want you to tell me why. So my favorite season is summer or winter, because, and then tell me why. Give me some good reasons. For phonics or our spelling words, we're thinking about compound words. So these are 2 words put together to make one word. So for example, bedtime. Bedtime, one word. So these are a little bit tricky. So I want you to look at this list of words and think about each word that's put together and tap out each word. So bed, b-e-d, bed, time, t-i-m, time. And think about the rules that we've learned so far and putting those into practice as you look at those words and practice those words. As always, you can always spend time on Dreambox and Lexia as you can and then as your schedule allows. And please come to me with any questions, any concerns, or anything that you need, and I will do whatever I can to help. I miss you guys so much. I hope that you are doing well. I cannot wait to see you soon. Bye!